Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Leisure Time Metal Gon. What is Leisure Time Metal Gon? Easy to apply, this concentrated formula prevents iron and other metals from building up in your spa. Use with each refill to quickly neutralize metals in your spa and prevent unsightly stains. Product benefits: prevents iron and other metal buildup from staining spa finish. One-time application good until next refill. The best time to treat for metals is when you first fill the spa or drain and refill the unit. Using Defender each week will control metals after the application of Metal Gon at startup. Compatible with chlorine, bromine and biguanide sanitizers. Usage directions. Step 1. Turn off all equipment. Step 2. Pour entire bottle contents evenly around spa edge. Step 3. Run filter for at least 30 minutes. Dosage: 16 fluid ounces per tub fill. Thank you, I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.